What happens if you constantly crack your joints? That popping sound might feel satisfying, but inside, something unusual is happening. Each crack releases tiny gas bubbles from the fluid inside your joints, but repeated cracking starts to disturb that balance. Over time, your joints may begin to lose stability, as pressure builds and releases again and again. The cushioning between your bones can become stressed, making movement less smooth. Your ligaments may stretch slightly, reducing joint control. And while it might not break your bones instantly, constant stress can slowly affect how your joints function. So that quick crack you enjoy, it might be training your joints to become weaker over time.